Amazing facts of penguin birds. Ever wondered about the secret lives of penguins? They're no ordinary birds. Penguins are experts in resilience, living in the harshest conditions on Earth. These fascinating creatures are flightless birds that are highly adapted to life in the water. Their tuxedo-like plumage is more than just cute, it provides excellent camouflage while hunting. Did you know that penguins are incredibly social? They form large colonies, providing protection and warmth in the harsh Antarctic winters. Some species of penguins can dive underwater for up to 20 minutes. That's like holding your breath during an entire sitcom episode. Lastly, penguins' loyalty is admirable. They mate for life, returning to the same spot year after year to reunite with their partners. Truly, penguins are marvels of the bird world.